Welcome to Mangata Avvocati's YouTube channel. I'm Carlo Ponte, and today we're answering the top 10 questions foreigners often ask about the probate process in Italy. If you've inherited assets in Italy or are dealing with Italian probate for the first time, this video is for you. 1. What is the probate process in Italy and how long does it take? In Italy, probate involves verifying the will, identifying heirs, and transferring assets. Typically, it takes 6 to 12 months, but this depends on the complexity of the estate. Delays may happen if disputes arise or if international paperwork is involved. 2. Do I need an Italian lawyer to handle the probate process? While it's not mandatory, it's highly recommended. Italian inheritance laws can be challenging, especially for non-residents. A lawyer ensures you avoid costly mistakes and complete the process efficiently. 3. What documents are required to start the probate process in Italy? You'll need the death certificate, the will, if available, proof of your relationship to the deceased, property deeds or financial statements, and an Italian tax code called Codice Fiscale. Without these, the process can stall. 4. What are the inheritance laws in Italy and how do they differ from my home country? Italy has forced heirship laws, meaning certain heirs, like children or a spouse, are entitled to a mandatory share of the estate. Unlike in common law countries, disinheriting family members is not always allowed. 5. Am I required to pay inheritance tax in Italy? Yes, inheritance tax applies, but Italy's rates are lower compared to many other countries. For example, children and spouses pay 4% on amounts above $1,000. Other relatives and non-relatives have different rates and exemptions. 6. What happens if the deceased owned property in Italy? Property must be transferred to the heirs. This involves updating the Italian land registry and paying any inheritance taxes. If there are multiple heirs, they'll need to decide whether to divide or sell the property. 7. Can I contest a will in Italy if I believe it's unfair or invalid? Yes, you can. A will may be contested if it violates forced heirship rules, was created under duress, or has legal flaws. This process can be complex, so consulting an expert is crucial. 8. How do Italian succession laws handle cases where there is no will? If there's no will, intestacy laws apply. The estate is distributed to close relatives, starting with the spouse and children. If no immediate family exists, it passes to more distant relatives. 9. What happens if there are multiple heirs and some live outside Italy? In this case, the heirs living abroad may need to grant a power of attorney to an Italian representative. This makes it easier to manage the inheritance process without traveling to Italy. 10. How do I access the bank accounts or financial assets of the deceased in Italy? You'll need the death certificate, the will, if applicable, and proof of your inheritance rights. Italian banks will release funds only after inheritance taxes are paid, so completing the legal steps is crucial. Navigating probate in Italy can be challenging, especially if you are not familiar with the legal system. At Mangata Avvocati, we specialize in helping clients like you resolve these matters smoothly. For personalized legal advice, visit our website, mangatavvocati.it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.